Yeah, hey guys, good day to you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Olumidejibo speaking. It's been a while. I hope you are all doing well. And to my new subscribers, hi there. My name is Olumidejibo. I said that before. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a different video. I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrencies. Now, for the past few weeks and few months, a lot of people have been telling me, Olumide, talk about crypto. Olumide, talk about crypto. Share your knowledge with us about crypto. I know there are lots of newbies in the cryptocurrency space. There are a lot of people who are trying to find their feet, saying, what is this? What is that? How can I do this? How can I do that? How can I do this? How can I do that? Okay, good news is that Olumidejibo is here to pull you through. So this is going to be the first video in the cryptocurrency series where I walk you guys through the cryptocurrency world and how to navigate it. So in today's videos, I'm going to be talking about 20 cryptocurrency terms. I'm going to be familiarizing you with 20 cryptocurrency terms. You should have heard of it before, but you might not know what it means. Now, first is pump. What is a pump? The higher the demand of a particular good or service, the higher the price, and vice versa. The lower the demand, the lower the price. Meaning, when many people are rushing a particular product or commodity to purchase, that creates scarcity of the product, which makes it valuable at that moment because it is scarce. And now, since it's scarce, it's only normal that the price has to shoot up more than normal, and that is pump.
Yes.
It's happening.
He sold. Pump it.
A group of individuals can decide to pump a particular token or coin in the market when they all decide to create some sort of demand, some sort of large volume of demand for a particular cryptocurrency. It's going to lead to a pump in the price of that particular currency. It's going to make it scarce. It's going to make it valuable in that moment, which will lead to a spike in the price. What is a dump? A dump is simply the opposite of pump. Now, after the prices of these currencies have gone very, very high, what happens? These people sell at those high prices. And when everybody sells at those high prices, what happens? The prices come crashing down, all the way down, which creates what we call a dump. Now, imagine this. A currency sits at $0.5. Let's create a magical token. Let's say Jibo. It sits at $0.5. And then investors come together to create a pump, an artificial pump. And they pump the currency to about $2 in a day. And then if these investors who decided to pump this coin decide to sell it off at $2, when everybody starts selling at $2, the price go crashing down.
Yes.
Bogdanov, he did it.
Il bought.
He went all in.
Dump it.
Now the next term is ATH, all-time high. Now this simply refers to the highest price a cryptocurrency has ever been since its inception. Now Bitcoin has reached an all-time high of $63,000 since its inception in 2009. And Ethereum has reached an all-time high of $4,196 since its inception. Who is a whale, or what is a whale? If you are new to the crypto space, I'm pretty sure you would have been hearing of whales. Who is a whale, or what is a whale? A whale is simply an investor who holds large amounts of a particular cryptocurrency. And at times, these whales hold so large that their transactions can affect the value of the cryptocurrencies. Beer. We've heard the word. I'm pretty sure if you are a newbie, you have heard the word beer a lot of times. Beer market. Now, what is a beer? You know what a beer is. Yeah, come on. Now, what is the distinct thing of a beer, or how does it relate to cryptocurrency? Now, we know how does a beer fight. A beer fights with its paws. It fights downwards from top to bottom, downwards. Now, a market that goes downwards is simply a bear market. What is a bull? Bull is simply the opposite of bear. Bear means downward, bull means upward. A bull fights with its horns. It raises its opponent up and throws them away, possibly. So a bull is upwards. Whenever you hear a bull market, it's a market that is going upwards. You should have heard this before. Someone tells you to buy a particular cryptocurrency, and the next thing he says is NFA DYOR. What does this mean? DYOR simply means do your own research, which exempts whoever gives you the financial advice from being sued for giving you wrong financial advice. Yep. Now, it is advised that before you invest in anything, be it cryptocurrency, be it stocks, be it real estate, you have to do a proper research of whatever you are invested in. Now, DYOR is just a short term for saying ensure you do your own research. Despite every information I have given you, do your own research. Not financial advice. Now, you will see a lot of tweets of people telling you buy XXX cryptocurrency, then NFA, meaning not financial advice. Just in case it bounces back on you, then they are free. They told you it's not financial advice. But then people give financial advice and then tell you NFA, for crying out loud. It's just to exempt themselves from whatever consequences that might follow you actually following the advice. NFA, not financial advice. Fear of missing out. Now, this happens a lot to a lot of people, especially newbies. Fear of missing out simply means the fear of missing out of potential cryptocurrency gains. FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Now, the cryptocurrency market is a very volatile market. The prices spike up and down in minutes, in seconds, in hours. At times, the market goes against you. At times, it doesn't go in the direction you put your money for it to go. And then you begin to fear, you're uncertain, and you begin to doubt. Hence, FUD. A fraudster is simply someone who promotes fraud. People who spread this fear, uncertainty, and doubt are fraudsters. And in a way, they are market manipulators because they are manipulating the decisions of a lot of people, probably to favor them or for whatever reason. Whoever spreads fraud is a fraudster. Lambo was coined from the word Lamborghini. It's simply a term used by cryptocurrency fantasizing about their cryptocurrency gains. Yeah, fantasizing about their cryptocurrency gains. Yeah. Now, a lot of people, we all know a Lamborghini is a car that is kind of pricey, expensive. Yeah, expensive. And not many people can afford it. Now, some people believe that cryptocurrency is going to make them rich. And when you hear Lambo, it's an affirmation of the belief that, okay, I'm going to use my cryptocurrency gains to get a Lambo or something expensive. Peer-to-peer. This simply means you as a cryptocurrency user connecting with another cryptocurrency user for a transaction. That's very simple. Now there are apps that link cryptocurrency users to themselves, while they serve as a middleman to ensure that no party is actually cheated. This is Olumide Jibo. If you enjoyed this episode, I'll catch you in the next one. At this juncture, I'll highly encourage you to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you are getting valuable content. It's really going to help my algorithm and push out the channel to other people around. Now, take care of yourself, and I'll catch you in the next one.